Aceh is one of Indonesian provinces at the northern tip of Sumatra. The province is the westernmost part of the Republic of Indonesia and strategically located along the world's busiest international shipping route, the Strait of Malacca. Aceh is known for its beautiful scenery of beaches, vast variety of natural resources, pristine rainforest, and its stunning UNESCO World Heritage of Sumatran rainforest. With its special autonomy status, the province has developed a friendly regulations for business and trade to thrive in the region. Our regional government has been focusing on the development through cooperation with private sectors. The province is committed to be the leading transportation and trading hub by building International Airport Sultan Iskandar Muda and 8 other domestic airports. Under the authority of local government, the economic zones of International Fishing Port Lampulo and Sambang Port and Free Trade Zone are created to fasten the process of doing business in the field of fisheries and international trade. In agricultural sector, Aceh is abundant with highly valued commodities. Among them are coffee, cocoa, and palm oil are just a short list. Furthermore, fisheries and livestock also a potential investment to explore. The government has several strategic plans for palm oil, which include providing support for sustainable palm oil production and creating favorable condition for public-private investment partnership. Indonesia is the 4th largest coffee producers, where Aceh is known as home of world's finest coffee. Gayo coffee is grown at the steep volcanic hill organically. Its distinctive earthy taste has made Gayo coffee being exported to more than 20 countries, with a total production of 8,000 tons per year. In order to accelerate national target of 35,000 megawatt power supply, Indonesia government has assigned State Electricity Company, the National Power Company, PLN, to build more energy resources in Aceh to fulfill the increasing demand of electricity. A newly launched Special Economic Zone of Aren Loksamawe is set to be a new growth center in the region with a total investment of $3.8 billion. Special Economic Zone Aren Loksamawe acts as a magnet for investors who wish to invest in areas that are developing, with many incentives including tax reduction, foreign ownership of land, simple visa procedures, and many other benefits. Aceh government is committed in the ease of doing business by improving its investment climate in order to achieve its target of becoming a leading destination for your future investment in Indonesia. We welcome you to invest in amazing Aceh. Aceh, the leading investment destination in Indonesia.